Hi YouTube, I'm PJ, a grown-up human who has always loved Barbie, and I'm on a mission to rescue, restore and rehome Barbie and her friends with people who need her. I really need your help, guys. I've searched all over the interwebs and I cannot identify this doll. Can you please help me? Please help me, I need your help. Today's video is a short and sweet makeover of this beautiful doll. I hope you enjoy this video. I found this doll during a thrifting haul with my mum. This was an awesome thrift shop. Obviously, I always head straight to the toy section to see what is hiding there for me, and I found this beautiful, beautiful girl there. If you haven't seen the video of this haul, I highly recommend. We hit the absolute mother load in this thrifting haul, so I'll link the video in the description below. This is a really sweet face mold. I just think she's so pretty. I love her colouring. I love her tan skin and her hair. What colour would you call this? I guess it's light honey brown. I don't know, but I love how her hair, eyes and skin sort of are all of the same tones. She's got a bit of stuff on her face that we're going to need to clean up, some marks on her nose and mouth. We've also got quite a bit of gunk in her ear here, which is a bit disgusting. She clearly had some beautiful curls when she was new. Her body is actually really good. We've just got a little bit of maybe some ink here that we'll need to get off, and of course we'll get rid of her price tag. Let's start the makeover.
To the salon!
As always, I start with the least toxic chemical I can when I start cleaning up these dolls. So here I'm just using a little bit of isopropyl alcohol to clean all of this. Look at that gunk, ugh, disgusting. So glad to have cleaned all of that out. I think she also had like a little piece of glitter in her ear as well, which is hilarious. Then on to dry brushing the hair with this detangling brush. I find this really effective to get the knots and some of the gunk and stuff out of the doll's hair, and her hair is just so pretty. I love this colour. I absolutely adore it. What colour would you call this? Look at her hair, it's already starting to look so much better, so shiny and lovely. And then it's off to the bath, some nice hot soapy water. Stay tuned for these other dolls and their makeovers. Time for conditioner, and as always I just use whatever cheap conditioner I have laying around the house. Work it through the doll's hair so that I can get the comb through and leave the conditioner on overnight. And here she is with her hair rinsed and dried, and we have managed to keep some of that wave in there, which I'm pretty happy about. I decided not to style her hair. I'm quite happy with how it turned out just as it is. So that's it. Time to pierce her ears. So I just used my trusty little kit from Kmart and fashioned her a pair of earrings. Of course, we need to pierce her ears, so be very, very careful if you're attempting this on a doll yourself. I use a large embroidery needle and a pair of pliers to pierce the doll's ear, and then just immediately pop the earring in that I have made for her. Now with her ears pierced, it's time to choose an outfit, and I love these little fashion packs that I picked up from Mr. Toys, and I think this outfit suits her beautifully. Well, that's makeover complete, guys. What do you think? How do you think she turned out? I'm happy to report that as of the time of editing this video, this doll has found her new forever home with a foster child in my local area. So I am super excited to see this doll loved and be part of somebody's life again. Phew, that one was fast and furious, wasn't it? If you've got this far and you like what you see and you want to see more, why not like, comment, and subscribe? And let me know in the comments below if you can identify this doll. I would be ever so grateful. See you in the next video. Bye!